Thank you for choosing the adamX. In this video, we show you everything you need to know about your new digital unit. From initial operation and individual functions and menus to battery replacement. Remove the protective foil before first use. Details concerning the instructions on the foil will follow later. After that, you can mount your adamX on your jetx. Remove the handrest. Turn the adamX 90 degrees. Apply slight pressure. Turn and lock it into place. If jetx is connected to a compressed air network with a minimum pressure of 2 bar, the adamX will be booted up and ready for use after 30 seconds. In the main level, the adamX first displays the inlet pressure. You can easily access the other menu items by tapping the adamX twice. This is how you switch to the temperature display, the operating hours display, and the battery status. After 4 seconds, or when the trigger is pulled, the adamX returns to the pressure display. When pulling the trigger, tapping is disabled. By removing the compressed air hose, you enter the settings level. It remains active as long as the adamX is used or moved. As soon as the indicator above to the compressed air symbol blinks, you can switch from bar to PSI, also by double tapping. When the indicator stops blinking, the setting is saved. Connecting and disconnecting the compressed air again will bring you back to the settings level. Double tapping takes you to the temperature setting. The indicator blinks, and you can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit by double tapping. Connecting and disconnecting. In the battery status menu, you can double tap to display the software version number. Another double tap allows you to switch the transport mode on or off. After 12 seconds of inactivity, the adamX falls into sleep mode. After 90 seconds, into deep sleep mode. After 110 hours of operation, the operating hours indicator starts blinking slowly. When this happens, you need to check the nozzle set. If it starts blinking quickly after 165 hours of operation, we strongly recommend replacing the nozzle set. You reset the operating hours indicator by entering the settings mode, by disconnecting the hose, and then double tapping to access the operating hours menu. When the indicator is blinking, double tap and confirm. If the indicator above the battery symbol blinks, you should check the battery status. The charge level is displayed as a percentage. Changing the battery itself is a breeze. Loosen the screws on the back. Then remove the compartment cover. The processor unit can be easily removed. The battery can be pushed out through the drill holes. Insert a new battery, and then put the processor unit back into the compartment. Put the compartment cover back on. Put the screws back and tighten them hand tight. Done. Do you have any questions? Do you want to know more? For more information, Visit sata.com/service.